Visiting the Oakland Zoo in California. Visiting the Oakland Zoo in California. Located at 9777 Gulf Links Road, Oak 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., though hours may vary on holidays or special occasions, it's a good idea to check their website or call ahead for them. Most up-to-date information on hours of operation. Admission, age and residency, children under 2 years old are usually free. There are often discounts for seniors, children, and residents of Alameda and Contra Costa counties. Additionally, parking fees may apply. Ticket entrance, but to save time and potentially money, consider purchasing tickets online in advance. Exhibits showcasing animals from around the world. Some highlights include the African savanna, tropical rainforest, California Trail, and the Gladys Valley Children's Zoo. Activities asked. The Oakland Zoo offers various activities such as animal feedings, keeper talks, and rides on the zoo's gondola, which provides panoramic views of the Bay Area. COVID-19 guidelines. Zoo's website for any COVID-19 related guidelines or restrictions that may be in place, such as mask requirements or capacity limits. Accessibility. Otters, with wheelchair rentals available on a first-come, first-served basis. Additionally, exhibits and facilities are wheelchair accessible, including cafes, snack bars, and picnic areas. Can enjoy your own food. Outside food and beverages are typically permitted in designated areas. Gift shop. Don't forget before you leave to pick up souvenirs, gifts, and additional materials to remember your visit. Remember to dress comfortably and wear sunscreen, as you'll likely be doing a lot of walking outdoors. Have a great time exploring the Oakland Zoo. Here's a more detailed guide on what to do and what not to do when visiting the Oakland Zoo. What to do. 1. Plan ahead. Check the zoo's website for hours of operation, ticket prices, and any special activities happening during your visit. Consider purchasing tickets online in advance to save time at the entrance. 2. Arrive early. Get to the zoo early and maximize your time exploring the exhibits. 3. Follow the map. Grab a map at the entrance and plan your route to see the exhibits and attractions you're most interested in. This will help you make the most of your visit. 4. Attend keeper talks and feedings. Check schedule for keeper talks and animal feedings, as they provide fascinating insights into the animals and their behaviors. It's a great way to learn more about the zoo's residents. 5. Take photos. Capture memories of your visit by taking photos of the animals, exhibits, and your family and friends enjoying the zoo. 6. Respect the animals. Observe the animals from a safe distance and follow any posted guidelines. Regarding interactions with them, remember that the zoo is their home, so be respectful of their space. 7. Stay hydrated. Bring water bottles to stay hydrated, especially on hot days. There are water fountains throughout the zoo where you can refill your bottles. 8. Enjoy the scenery. Take a ride on the zoo's gondola for stunning views of the Bay Area and surrounding hills. 9. Visit the gift shop. Stop by the gift shop before you leave to pick up souvenirs and support the zoo's conservation efforts. What not to do. 1. Don't feed the animals. Feeding the animal can disrupt their diets and may be harmful to their health. Follow the zoo's guidelines and do not Attempt to feed the animals. 2. Don't litter *. Keep the zoo clean by disposing of trash in designated bins. Help protect the environment and wildlife by not littering. 3. Don't climb or cross barriers * barriers and signs. Climbing on fences or entering restricted areas is dangerous for both visitors and animals. 4. Don't disturb the animals * avoid making loud noises or tapping on glass enclosures, as this can stress out the animals. Keep voices at a reasonable volume to maintain a calm environment. 5. Don't bring pets * with the exception of service animals. Pets are not allowed inside the zoo for the safety and well-being of the animals and visitors. 6. Don't run * walk at a leisurely pace and watch your step to avoid tripping or bumping into others. Running can startle animals and pose a safety hazard. 7. Don't touch the animals * resist the temptation to touch or pet the animals, even if they appear friendly. Some animals may see this as a threat and could react unpredictably. 8. Don't forget sun protection * wear hats and sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun's harmful rays. Reapply sunscreen throughout the day, especially if you'll be spending a lot of time outdoors. By following these guidelines, you can have a safe and enjoyable visit to the Oakland Zoo while respecting the animals and their environment. Find more vlogs at https://com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. Scale effortlessly with nuBeginning Success. Collaborations, comprehensive resources. https://success collaboration. God bless you.